Module 3, the media, Unit 7. Casting, Students Book, page 56. What are the sources of media? As you can see, we have radio, TVs, digital radio, internet, and finally we have newspapers. Guess the names and dates of the broadcasting equipment above. We have wireless radio 1930s, B, black and white TV 1950s, C, it's a digital radio 2000s. Finally we have digital television 2008. Radio and TV quiz. When was radio first used to send messages? That's right, it's around 1900. 2. When were the first color television broadcasts? Good, it's around 1950. When did people first buy video recorders? Good, in the 1970s. What is meant by broadcasting? We have new vocabulary.
Dispatch.
The first one is dispatch. Dispatch, it means to send off to a destination or for a purpose. In the past, messages could only be dispatched short distances along telegraph wires.
Broadcast.
Broadcast. Broadcast, a radio or television program or transmission.
Entertainment.
We have entertainment. Entertainment, activities that entertain people or a performance of this type. At first, most broadcasts were news programs, but soon music and other entertainment programs were broadcast. We have
Film industry.
Film industry. Film industry. Look at the pictures. It's a film. Film industry is still a great entertainment for people.
Invention.
Invention. Invention. The process of creating something that has never been made before. Television is really a great invention.
Set.
Set. As you can see, we have set. Radio or television receiver. Look, these are some sets. The first television sets, which were very expensive, had small screens with the black and white pictures.
Transistor.
Transistor. Transistor. A portable radio using circuits containing transistors rather than vacuum tubes. In the 1950s, scientists invented transistors and radios became much smaller.
Station.
We have station. Station, a company involved in broadcasting of a specified kind. There are many radio and television stations in Kuwait.
Digital.
Digital. Digital. Using signals or information represented by digits of a physical quantity to represent arithmetic numbers. In the 1990s and 2000s, digital TV and satellite have given people a wider choice of television channels.
Collectively.
Collectively. Collectively. Cooperatively, as a group. Many people agree collectively that HD television is the best TV nowadays.
Evolve.
Evolve. Evolve, to develop gradually, especially from a simple to a more complex form. In fact, broadcasting continues to evolve in interesting and surprising ways. The DVD had replaced the video recorder.
Video recorder.
Video recorder. This is the new word. Video recorder. Look at the words in bold. In the following text, write the origin of each word. We have example, physicist, physics. Italian, Italy. Entertainment, entertain. Wooden, wood. Inventor, invent. Broadcasting, broadcast. Transmission, transmit. Informative, inform. Cooperation, cooperate. Intellectual, intellect. We have reading time, read silently, silent reading. What is the best broadcast nowadays and why? We have some. Compare between radio broadcasting in the past and nowadays. Radio broadcasting. In the past, messages could be dispatched short distances. They could take months. Most broadcasts were news and programs. As for nowadays, we have they can be dispatched around the world. They are always up to date. Programs are in different languages. How could people send messages before the discovery of the radio waves? Of course, it could be only dispatched short distances along telegraph wires. This is telegraph. Messages could take months if sent to other countries. How was the early broadcasting method? There were only news and programs. After that, music and other entertainment programs were broadcast. How was the early radio? As you can see, they were in large wooden cases. They were heavy to lift. In 1950s, scientists invented transistors and radios became much smaller. How was the early TVs? They were very expensive. They had small screens with black and white pictures. How is TV nowadays? Nowadays, people have digital TV, satellites, and cable TV systems which give them better choices of channels and entertainment. TV in Kuwait. TV transmission began in 1957. The process of development accelerated in 1961 when the Ministry of Information took the charge. By 1997, 13 TV stations existed in Kuwait. The first color broadcast was in 1974. It is based on mutual cooperation and respect for the affairs of other countries. It emphasizes on intellectual, social, political, and economic development. Now we have Heinrich Hertz was a, yes, that's right, German physicist. Before the invention of radio, people used telegraph wire to send messages. Good, in short distances. John Yogi Bird developed the first television system. The policy of Ministry of Information puts great effort into developing its institutions. Thank you very much.